We're here in Mayfield, and we're in a lightning delay like many other games across the area. These two teams have been meeting on the gridiron since 1924. Brush leads the series 48-42-2, but Mayfield has won 22 of the last 23, and the Wildcats are leading this game 30-14 early in the third quarter. Andy Isabella has been a star for Mayfield in the first half, catching a 54-yard touchdown pass and also running 74 yards to pay dirt. The Wildcats hope to nail down this victory whenever this game is completed. Back to the studio.